the Sunday Love Feast Festival, and on this occasion, children from NICE, Borivali, we have children from Ahmedabad, teacher, we have student of Padma Kumari Mataji. So all of us are going to perform a drama for the pleasure of Shri Shri Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra. So, ready? My children are ready? So please take your position. Narrator, please take your position.
Hare Krishna. On the occasion of Jagannath's Snan Yatra, we the students of NICE are here to present a drama on Jagannath's pastime with Ganpati Bhatta. A long time ago, in a small village in Karnataka, there lived a kind and wise man named Ganpati Bhatta. He loved Lord Vishnu deeply. He wanted only one thing, to see Parabrahma, the Supreme Lord. The Brahma Purana says that the Supreme Lord Parabrahma has appeared in Nilagiri, and whoever sees it, he'll get liberation and get free from death. What is the use of the family and wealth if you cannot see the Lord? When I get older, my family members would see me as a burden. No one stays with us forever. But now that I know that Lord has appeared in Nilagiri, why should I stay? I'll go to Nilagiri and make my life successful. Even I have to beg or fast, I will go. I only want to see Parabrahma with my own eyes. So with a strong faith in his heart, Ganpati Bhatta sets off a long journey to Puri, hoping to see the Lord. After many days of walking, Ganpati Bhatta reached Athanala bridge near Puri. There he saw some people. They were very happy and were holding pots of Jagannath Prasad. Kindly tell me, from where you have come from? Why are you all so happy? What have you achieved?
Oh dear Brahmana, we just saw Lord Jagannath in Puri. Now we are going home, happy and satisfied. He is so beautiful. We are full of joy.
But if you saw Parabrahma, shouldn't you have merged into Brahman? Why are you going back home?
The Lord gives what each person wishes. We wanted to come home, so He let us.
How can these people be going back home as Puranas clearly mention that Brahman resides in Puri and whoever sees him, he'll get liberation immediately. I'm confused now. I do not know what to do, what is right and what is wrong.
Lord Jagannath understood the mind of Ganpati Bhatta, so he came in the form of Brahmana. Where have you come from? Why do you look so sad?
I came all this way to see Parabrahma, who lives in Puri. As Puranas mentioned that seeing him gives liberation, but people are going back after seeing him.
They got result at the Lord is known as Kalpatru. They fulfill Saprakan desires. They got result according to their desires. Please do not think there is no Brahman yet. God.
Ganpati Bhatta reached near Athanala bridge near Puri. There, Ganpati Bhatta felt peace again. He bowed and continued his journey to take darshana of Brahman. It was a special day. love. The crowd shouted, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Baladev, Jai Subhadra. He doesn't have a face of an elephant. I thought Brahman had an face of an elephant. This can't be him. He turns and walks away sadly, dissatisfied. He left the place, not even offering obeisances. Understanding his firm conviction, Lord Jagannath appeared to Mudiraj, a representative of the king of Puri.
Please come back. The Lord will show you his elephant form. Don't go away without taking darshan of Daru Brahma.
Why are you cheating me? Where is Brahman with elephant face? Unless I see trunk on his face, I'll not accept this deity as Brahman.
Look carefully this time. The Lord loves his devotees. You will see.
And when he looked at the Lord again, Ganpati Bhatta's soul merged into the Lord like a flash of a light. Let us all say together, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Baladev, Jai Subhadra.
And that's why even today on Snana Purnima, Lord Jagannath appears in Hathi Vesha, the elephant form, to bless all his children.
Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Baladev, Jai Subhadra. Hare Krishna. Myself, Gavita Sharma. I played role of narrator. Hare Krishna. I am Sanvi and I have played the role of narrator. Hare Krishna. My name is Adit Sehgal and I played the role of Ganpati Bhatta.
Hare Krishna. My name is Hesha Thakur and I played the role of Villager 2 and Baldev. Hare Krishna. Krishna. My name is Shreya. I am a student of Padma Mataji. I played the role of Brahmana and Subhadra.
Hare Krishna. My name is Disha and I played the role of Villager 1 and Jagannath.
Children can come and collect the certificate. I request even the parents also. Yes.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Disha Prashant. Kesha Sagar. Shriya Rao. Garvita Sharma. Sanvi Khatak. Arush Mehta. Harit Sehgal. Aditi Sharma.
I request even parents to be there on the stage so that we can have a click. Mother and father both. This time you can see the equal involvement of parents. You know, I had to do least of hard work because you can see both the sides parents were involved. So when the parents are involved, drama becomes easy. So this time we could, have the involvement of parents, mothers as well as fathers. You could see one side father was dressing up his daughter. So like this, it's a family program. So you all are welcome every Sunday, not only this Sunday, every Sunday you all are welcome so that you can see your children performing here on the stage.
So there are many forms of Krishna. Many forms of Krishna. When Krishna comes as a fish, he is known as. When he comes as a tortoise, he is known as. When he comes as elephant, he is known as Vishwakshena. When he comes as horse, Hayagriva. When he comes as a devotee,
Prahlad.
Chaitanya. Prahlad is devotee. When Krishna comes as devotee, Chaitanya. So when he comes as a beautiful woman,
Mohini.
and Krishna comes as a demigod, Vamana. Very good. Vamana. So when Krishna comes as a brahmachari, when Krishna comes as a brahmachari, Vamana. Okay. So now, when Krishna comes as a cartoon, when Krishna comes as a cartoon, that is Krishna only, no? That little or big. Hey, just now I spoke about somebody.
Jagannath.
Jagannath, when Krishna comes as a cartoon. So now children like cartoons, isn't it? Generally children like Jagannath from Krishna. So I'm very happy that you all came all from Nagari and you did this performance. So as much as now Jagannath likes you, isn't it? So when Jagannath likes you, when you like someone, what is the first thing which comes to your mind? When you like someone, you want to meet the person again, isn't it? So now Jagannath likes you. So what he like? What he wants to? Meet again. So when are we going to meet again? Then afterward, next Sunday also. So Jagannath has met them and he likes them. So what he wants? To meet them.
Again.
To meet again. So when? Every Sunday. Every Sunday he wants to meet you. So if you don't come, then he gets sad. When he becomes sad, what will happen to you? So what are you supposed to do? Meet him every Sunday. Whether you have performance or no performance. Number one. Number two, what are you going to do? Chant. What?
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
How many times every day? 100 times one mala. At least children one mala, parents two malas. Okay? So inquire about this how to chant one mala. Okay? Hare Krishna.
Vishalamurthy Mataji student.
Okay.
And this is Padma Kumari Mataji.
Wonderful. Jai. Shadrobhat ki jai.
दो मैं रख दूंगा अभी मत लेके जाओ बॉटल मैं लेके जाऊंगा एक्चुअली मैं जो उधर ही रख दूँ उधर ही रख दो सब में एक्चुअली मैं जो कोई प्यास लग सकते हैं ना अभी नहीं जा रहे नहीं जा रहे टाइम लगेगा इसके वजह से तो आप कैसे ये आप
Keshava. Keshava. Abednya. Aradhya.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Ram, Ram,
Bhavya. All the children who have got the certificates on the stage. Tanishka. Children be on the stage.
शराई माता जी के कौन कौन से बच्चे हैं
रितु।
नहीं पता है सबका नाम अनाउंस करेंगे क्या 30 स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं अभी कैसे क्योंकि माता जी साथ गए
बस बस
कॉल किया नहीं था
All teachers' certificates done.
सब आ गया
Lakshmi Mataji. Yours also. Sharayu Mataji students are there in the hall. Sharayu Mataji students. Yeah, please come here.
नाम बताओ ना सर्टिफिकेट
Mataji, Sharayu Mataji student. Somebody has to give you their other. Okay, from the you give now. Huh?
Hare Krishna, all the devotees kindly be seated. Now we have the Odissi performance. So kindly be seated.
I request all parents please be seated other than Sharayu Mataji's parents. Other than Sharayu Mataji's parents, please be seated. Now we'll be having a Odissi dance performance. Please be seated. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Now we'll be having our next performance. So I request all of you please be seated. Until then we won't be able to start the performance. are getting certificates for summer camp. There is a children's education wing of ISKCON Meera Road, wherein these children, right from 1st standard to 10th standard children, are trained in Vedic culture. We teach them shloka recitation. Haribol, children, please be seated. Niche baith jaiye. Baith jaiye. So we train them in Vedic culture. We teach them shloka recitation from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Apart from that, we relate these shlokas with the stories, with the pastimes from Ramayana, Srimad Bhagavatam and our other scriptures. So the children are rooted to their culture. Here you can see, not only we train our children for shloka recitation, we train them to do live performance on the stage. Just now you saw a drama performance. Like that, we train them even for the exhibition. We conduct exhibition in schools as well as in our temple premises. This time the topic is going to be about Lord Vithala. As you can see on the certificate also, Vithala Rukumai is there. So our topic of summer camp was everything about Lord Vithala and Pandharpur. So children gained the knowledge of all the different saints of Maharashtra, and not only that, they learned Abhangas written by great acharyas like Santa Tukaram, Santa Eknath and Chokha Mela. So all these exalted devotees, Abhangas they learned. So this is the prime benefit of enrolling your children into nice classes. Now this is for the children. Now let me talk about the parents. We want more teachers for training children in schools. We are getting opportunity in schools to train children, to teach children Bhagavad Gita. So we request parents, especially mothers, even though you are working or not working, you can take out time. We train teachers for that. Training is going on in Hindi, English, Gujarati. These are the prime languages, and it is basically online training. 1 hour it is. In that we train how to teach Bhagavad Gita, that is shloka recitation, the way it is taught in Gurukul. Same way we teach our teachers also how we are supposed to narrate the stories, how we are supposed to train the children for drama. And apart from this, we even train them to approach to the schools. Currently, we are into the schools of Borivali, we are into the schools of Kandivali. Apart from that, Vasai, Meera Road, and just our neighbor school, NL Dalmia, wherein we are conducting regular Veda classes. So, for this, we need hundreds of teachers. So, I request all of you, please get in contact with NICE, and the banner which you see outside in the temple complex, the numbers are given. You can contact any of the number, or the number for the Nityanand Nagar, or the number for Ram Nagar. You can contact on that person and get yourself connected. And now let me talk about, see, you can see children are so very disturbed. Here it is so very difficult for them to sit for few minutes. This is what we are giving them through the way of mobile, YouTube. हम सर्टिफिकेट लेने नहीं आ सकते. This is the request I am getting today itself. हम सर्टिफिकेट लेने नहीं आ सकते. आप नहीं आएंगे, आप कहाँ जाएंगे? आप मॉल जाएंगे घूमने, आप मूवी देखने जाएंगे, और वहां से इस तरह के बिहेवियर्स बच्चों को सिखा के लेके आएंगे. But when you come here, the philosophy which was spoken by Maharaj, it was very difficult for even adults to understand. But you saw how calm and peaceful the children were. They sat for more than 1.5 hours. So this is the culture you imbibe when you bring them to the temple, when you bring them to such kind of lectures. Because here it is mode of goodness. The moment you take them to the theatre, The moment you take them to the malls, it is mode of ignorance. फिर हम रोते हैं हमारा बच्चा मेरे बात सुनता ही नहीं है, पढ़ाई करता ही नहीं है, पूरा दिन मोबाइल में ही बैठता है. This is because we have given them exposure to all such things, irrespective of giving them to the exposure of spiritual knowledge. मंदिर क्यों जाना है? मंदिर जाना है तो कैसे कपड़े पहनना है ये भी हम सिखाते हैं in nice classes. Basically, you might have observed Catholics, they have a particular dress code when they go to church. Even the Sikh people, they have a particular way when they enter into the temple. If you don't have dupatta, they'll provide you dupatta. Here we teach. It is not, it is certain things we have to think that how we are supposed to dress up our children, especially our girls. We have to protect them. You can see around them so many nonsensical things are happening. How we will protect them? If we ourselves don't teach them how they are supposed to dress up. In my class, children they come, they say, ये क्यों पहनना है? इसमें बहुत खुजली मारता है मुझे. This is the way. Actually, we have given them very comfortable dress. चड्डी पहनो, टी-शर्ट पहनो, और उसी कपड़े में मंदिर भी जाओ. When we were children of their age, it was taught to us that you are not supposed to show your inners. But now the thing is ulta. Inner things have become to be shown as the ultimate dress. So really parents, where are we going? What are we teaching to our children? Please think about it. It is a way to help. It is a way to help. Don't think fashion है तो कुछ भी चलेगा. ऐसे मत सोचो. आप घर पे प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हो, but when the child goes on the road, there are 4 people observing them. Everyone may not have good eyes, no? You have pan bidi shop on the road. You have biscuit shop on the road. You have गली में नुक्कड़ में पानी पूरी वाला on the road. So all these people observe your child, and they may take up a wrong step. And the child is innocent, no? Child doesn't know. In this age, won't they understand what is good touch, what is bad touch? Then the teachers have to teach them. So that is why be very, very careful in what you are giving to your children, because this is the age they are learning. They will imitate everything whatever we are giving them. You might have seen, जब भी पेरेंट्स बच्चे को लेके आते हैं मंदिर में, पिताजी दंडवत प्रणाम करते हैं तो वो देख के तुरंत बेटा भी लेट जाता है. पता नहीं उसको क्यों लेट रहा है, पर वो लेट जाता है. दिस इज द वे. अगर आप घर पे ड्रिंक्स लेते हो, अगर लेते हो, कल को बच्चा भी लेगा. बच्चा भी लेगा, इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ वो बॉय है या गर्ल है. आप सोचो आप बच्चों को क्या बना रहे हो. So that is why it is very, very important. Please get them connected to nice, and not only children, you also get connected, because घर पे we will provide the situation, the circumstances, the environment. But tomorrow the child is going out of your house. The child needs a society to practice all these things. How we will be providing society? By all of us coming together and saving our Sanatan Dharma. Staying back to our Vedic Dharma, Vedic culture. That is what is given by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki
Hare Krishna. There was a wonderful lecture by Maharaj, and you saw a beautiful story performed by the children of Nice. India has a very, very long and a deep tradition in the arts. Bharat Muni, I do not know if you know who is Bharat Muni. Bharat Muni wrote the Natya Shastra 300 years before Christ. So आप सोचिए कि when even Christ was not born, the main जो हम लोग कैलेंडर से चलते हैं, this calendar, the modern calendar, इसके बहुत साल पहले 60,000 verses भरत मुनि ने लिख के बताया कि कला क्या होना चाहिए, कला का मकसद क्या होना चाहिए, what is the use of art, क्योंकि हम we are in the human body, we have the पंच इंद्रिय, वो चीज देखेगी, जरूर देखेगा. अच्छा, जैसे माता जी ने just she said, you know, she said if you see good things you will learn good things, if you see bad things you will learn bad things. Much more recent, Jiva Goswami Pad, he said that amongst all the stories in the world there are many kinds of stories, but there is only one story which is the best always. The children have to tell me which is that best story. तो मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. जीव गोस्वामी पाद ने कहा कि दुनिया में बहुत सारे कहानियां हैं, बहुत कहानियां, हर जगह कहानी है, लेकिन एक प्रकार या एक कहानी है जो सबसे बेस्ट कहानी है. आप लोग ने बहुत लेक्चर सुना, आप लोग ने अभी ये देखा, आप मुझे एक बताइए सबसे बेस्ट कहानी कौन सा है. ये बच्ची जा बहुत होनहार है, बहुत अच्छी. उठो, अच्छा बोला आपने सही कहा, खड़े आपने परफेक्ट आंसर कहा, जोर से बोलो.
कृष्णा जी की.
परफेक्ट. अगर किसी कहानी में अगर कृष्ण नहीं है तो वो कहानी फालतू है, उसका कोई यूज नहीं है. जीव गोस्वामी कहते हैं कि अगर उसमें कृष्ण है तो वो दुनिया का बेस्ट कहानी है ऑटोमेटिकली. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. तो ये हमारे उड़ीसा के जगन्नाथ जी के मंदिर के भीतर का परंपरा है नृत्य का. तो कोई भी आके ऐसे ही कमर हिला दे, लाली लिपस्टिक लगा ले, इस तरीके से नहीं है. हमारे कला एक शास्त्रीय कला है, इसको क्लासिकल आर्ट्स कहते हैं, शास्त्रीय कला. और इसको नाट्य शास्त्र में उसके पहले ब्रह्मदेव ने चारों वेदों से मिश्रण करके नाट्य वेद का उत्पन्न किया. और ये किसके लिए किया है? ये ह्यूमन बींग्स के लिए किया, हम लोग जैसे इंसानों के लिए. तो इसकी बहुत लंबी कहानी है. वो नाट्य वेद से हम यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचे हैं, मैं कैसे कहाँ पर हूँ, मेरे बच्चे कैसे कर रहे हैं, बहुत लंबी कहानी. वो फिर हम आएंगे, फिर हम उसके बारे में बोलेंगे. अब हम आपका समय ज्यादा नहीं लेंगे. महाराज जो कहानी कह रहे थे, ये जो वृंदावन वासियों का एक फीलिंग है जब कृष्ण चले गए, एंड दैट इज द फीलिंग ऑफ सेपरेशन, दैट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ द जीव फ्रॉम द जीवात्मा. ठीक है, परमात्मा. तो हम जो अभी प्रस्तुत करेंगे वो जयदेव गोस्वामी ने लिखा था फॉर लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ. लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ जो सोने के पहले उनको जयदेव का काव्य सुनना है, और जयदेव की जब काव्य सुनते हैं तब वो जाके धीरे धीरे जगन्नाथ हो जाते हैं. वो वहां का कल्चर है आज तक. तो उनके महाकाव्य है गीत गोविंद, उसमें से तीसरा सॉन्ग है, उसका नाम है ललित लवंग. ललित लवंग लता परिसी. ये भाषा कौन सा है जानते हो? बच्चे लोग को आंसर करना चाहिए. व्हाट लैंग्वेज इज दिस? कौन? वेरी स्मार्ट चाइल्ड इज हियर. बोल.
संस्कृत.
ये दिस इज इट, संस्कृत. We have to know that. We have to know ये this is our language. ये हमारा कल्चर है, हमें जानना होना चाहिए. तो इस भाषा में पूरा गाना है, और उसका अभिनय जो आप अभी देखेंगे उसमें पात्र है राधा और वसंत. वृंदावन बहुत ही सुंदर वन है, वहां पे लता वृक्ष मधु पवन, बहुत सुंदर वातावरण है. लेकिन राधा जो इतनी कोमल है, एक छोटे से एक नए फूल जैसे, इतनी कोमल और इनोसेंट है राधा रानी. लेकिन वो राधा इस माहौल में, इस बसंत में, इस वृंदावन में वो खुश नहीं है, क्योंकि अब तक कृष्ण के साथ उसका मिलन नहीं हुआ है. अगर वो सेपरेट है, शी इज नॉट हैप्पी. एंड वो कह रही कि इतना सब वातावरण अच्छा है, इतना माहौल बसंत ऋतु है, लेकिन मैं खुश नहीं हूं जब तक कृष्ण मुझे नहीं मिलेगा। और वहां पर मदन, यू नो हु इज मदन? क्यूपिड, द गॉड ऑफ लव, वो बोल रहा है कि अच्छा राधा रानी अकेले उसके ऊपर बाण मारेंगे और उसको तरफाएंगे कि जब तक वो कृष्ण से नहीं मिलेगी तब तक वो मिलन नहीं होगा, तो वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं होने वाला है। सो दिस इज अ ब्यूटीफुल भक्ति रस, एंड द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस इज टू डेवलप कृष्ण प्रेम। हर एक जन को 16 माला तो नहीं जप सकते हैं, लेकिन कला के जरिए आप भक्ति रस में डुबकी लगा सकते हैं। और उसका बेस्ट तरीका है सीखने के लिए, और उसको एक एक लाइन, एक एक श्लोक, उसका मतलब समझना, उसके भंगिमा। कृष्ण भगवान ऐसे खड़े होते हैं और कैसे खड़े होते हैं ये आपको पता है। मंदिर में तो हम देखते हैं ये मुरली लेके खड़े हैं, लेकिन उनके बहुत सारे पोज हैं। जब कालिया को मार के ऐसे खड़ा हुआ, उसके बहुत सारा स्वरूप है। जैसे कि आपने जगन्नाथ जी का स्वरूप, गज स्वरूप देखा, ऐसे बहुत सारे स्वरूप हैं। तो मैं ज्यादा बोलूंगा नहीं, बोलने के लिए बहुत कुछ है। हम शुरू करते हैं ललित लवंग लता, एंड आई हैवंट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड माय स्टूडेंट हु इज गोइंग टू परफॉर्म। I expect all of you not to be watching TV, but if you see Mangal Lakshmi, then maybe you recognize her or from the previous projects also. And she is going to perform, and she is extremely busy. Extremely busy. And she's not getting paid to come here. We are not going to get a certificate. We're not going to get anything. The only reason she is coming here is for Krishna Prema, Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Madhur Bhav Bhakti. That is all. Okay, so presenting Lalita Lavang Lata by Deepika Singh Madhus. Hare Krishna.
आमंदं कंदारप ज्वरजनित चिंता पूर्णतया आमंदं कंदारप ज्वरजनित चिंता पूर्णतया सरसमिदमुचे सहचरी ललिता लवंगा लता परिशीला कोकिला मनोरथ पथिका मधुजन जनिता विलापे मद मदन मनोरथ पथिका मधुजन जनिता विलापे मनोरथ पथिका मधुजन जनित विलापे कलिकुल संकुल कुसुम समूह निराकुल बकुल कलापे मृगमद सौरभ तव सव संवद नवदल माल कमाले मृगमद सौरभ तव सव संवद नवदल माल कमाले मृगमद सौरभ रव सव संवद नवदल माल कमाले युवजन हृदय विदारण मनसिका न करुचि सुखदाले विहरति हरिह सरस वसन्ते विहरति हरिह सरस वसन्ते श्री जयदेव भणितमिदमुदयति हरिचरण स्मृति सरसव संत अनुगत मदन विकारम् अनुगत मदन विकारम्